Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Darlington. Welcome to Grade 3 Second Term Drill on SC Phonetics. If this is your first time of watching my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. So today we are going to talk about this sound and this sound. Ready to learn? Let's dive in. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, my name is Mr. Darlington. So now we are going to learn about this sound that says or. Again, or. Now this is a long sound because it has two dots called length marker, and it also has a spelling pattern. It can go with words that have AW, AU, and OR. So we're going to take the words and learn to transcribe them. Let's take words having AW, AU, and OR. The sounds or. Number 1, straw. 2, law. 3, fault. 4, Paul. 5, sport. 6, corn. Now let's pronounce it again. Great job! Let's learn to transcribe. But first, you have to know that converting word into phonetic symbol is called transcription. And the lines between the phonetic symbols are called slashes. Simple rules in transcription. The 1, don't transcribe with capital letter. Rule 2, the letter C turns K in transcription, and letter K remains K. So get an exercise book in front of you and learn to transcribe. Let's transcribe words with sound or with AW, AU, and OR. 1, lawn. Now the first thing to do is to write your slash, then you write your sound and you change your AW to the phonetic symbol or, and your sound then close your slash. Number 2, with AU, fraud. Now the first thing is to write down your slash and your sound and your sound, then change your AU to the OR sound and then close your slash. Number 3, with the OR, born. You write your slash and write the sound B and change your OR to the phonetic symbol OR, and don't forget your 2 dots and the sound then close your slash. Guess you have your pen with you. I'm going to give you 15 seconds to transcribe straw, corn, and fault with the sound or. Let's go. Brilliant! Very simple, isn't it? Let's pronounce words with sound A. This is a diphthong sound. It also goes with words that has the spelling pattern AY, AI, and the extended AE. So pronouncing words with sound A. Number 1, play. 2, spray. 3, rain. 4, gain. 5, bake. 6,
rake.
Now, let's say this together. Let's transcribe words with sound A. Number 1, stay. First your slash, then your sound S, T, and the phonetic symbol A. Then close your slash. Number 2, stain. Slash, and the sound S, then T, and the phonetic symbol A, N, then close your slash. Number 3, cake. Your slash, don't forget your letter C turns K. Good. And also your AE changes to A, and the sound K. Then close your slash. Now I'm going to give you 15 seconds to transcribe clay, gain, and bake with the sound A. Let's go. Excellent! Home drill. Transcribe the following words showing on your screen with the sound OR and the sound A. And remember, don't transcribe with capital letter. And also, your letter C turns K, but letter K remains K. Cheerio, and you say